Hello friends, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to discuss about the first wave of feminism. In my last video also you had seen I had talked about how the wave started. I had spoken about the beginning of feminism that took place in England and America. Fine. So now I will talk about the first wave of feminism, which actually started from 1830s to 1900. Fine. So the first wave is kind of revolution that took place where the women fought for the right to vote. Okay, that was a main topic, या जो मेन मुद्दा जिसको बोलते थे, तो उनका जो मेन मुद्दा था वो यही था कि उनको राइट टू वोट चाहिए थे. ओके, सो वुमेन्स फाइट फॉर इक्वल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स. अब क्या था कि उस ज़माने में प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स नहीं दिए जाते थे वुमेन को. Why? Because even the dowry which they received from their father's place was given to their husbands. Okay, and inherit कौन करता था? वो भी inherit करते थे अगर बेटा हुआ then. So in any case फीमेल मेंबर्स को प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स नहीं मिलती थी. सो इस फर्स्ट वेव में दे वर फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट दिस मेन thing that they wanted property rights. Okay, then women in the late 19th to early 20th centuries realized that they must first gain political power. So political power उनको चाहिए थी. And you know, किसी भी देश में if you want some kind of law order, or if you want some kind of position, तो political position is the best position, isn't it? अगर position मिल जाए politically, then obviously you can achieve your goals. जो आपको जो बड़े लेवल पे जो चीज़ें चाहिए वो politically you can gain if you get political power. तो women of late 19th to early 20th century, they wanted political power, including the right to vote, to bring about change. Obviously change के लिए they required political power. Fine. The political agenda expanded to issues concerning sexual, reproductive and economic matters. तो ये कुछ चीज़ें थी जैसे सेक्शुअल, रिप्रोडक्टिव, इकोनॉमिक मैटर्स. अब क्या था उस ज़माने में, ऑब्वियसली जो कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स थे वो अलाउड नहीं था. देन अबॉर्शन लॉज नहीं बने थे. सो इन एनी केस वुमेन वर द सफरर्स. ओके, अगर दे वांटेड समथिंग फॉर देम ओन, अपने लिए जो चाहिए थे वो उनको नहीं मिल रहा था. ऑब्वियसली दीज लॉज शुड बी ग्रांटेड टू वुमेन. दे शुड बी फ्री इनफ टू चूज वेदर दे वांट अ चाइल्ड और नॉट, राइट? So these were the also some matters which were discussed in first wave. The first wave begins with the Seneca Falls Convention of 1848. Very important, you have to remember this, Seneca Falls Convention of 1848. ठीक है. There almost 200 women met in a church in upstate New York to discuss the social, civil and religious condition and rights of women. So क्या हुआ था कि around 200 women met in a church to discuss the social, civil, religious conditions and rights of women. So 200 women actually gathered to discuss about these things. They were very much serious about getting the rights. The whole thing was organized by Lucretia Mott and Elizabeth Cady Stanton. ठीक है. सो ये कुछ नाम है, लुक्रेशिया मॉट एंड एलिजाबेथ कैडी स्टैंटन. फॉर 70 years the first wavers would march, lecture and protest and face arrest. इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की, for around 70 years they actually fought for this movement. The 15th Amendment's passage in 1870 granting black men the right to vote became a spur that politicized white women. अब क्या हुआ? According to the 15th Amendment passage in 1870, जो black men थे उनको right to vote दिया गया. Fine. अब क्या हुआ? Black, as you know, तो black जिनको आप जानते हैं slave माना जाता था, तो उनको भी right to vote दिया जा रहा था. So this created a kind of agitation among the women, white women, कि वी आर वाइट पीपल, ऑब्वियसली वी आर सुपीरियर, हमें राइट टू वोट नहीं दिया जा रहा है एंड ब्लैक मैन को दिया जा रहा है. ब्लैक मैन आर ऑल्सो आर स्लेव्स. तो उनको अगर राइट टू वोट दिया जा रहा है देन हु आर वी? हमें इतने नीचे क्यों रखा है? यू नो, सो दिस वॉज अगेन अ काइंड ऑफ ओके फाइन, इसमें रेसिज्म है बट स्टिल दे वर फाइटिंग फॉर देयर राइट्स. कि वुमेन है हम एंड दिस इज़ आवर नेशन, ऑब्वियसली वी आर दी यू नो वी आर दी ओनर्स ऑफ दी स्लेव्स. तो हमें राइट नहीं मिल रहा है एंड दीज ब्लैक men are getting right to vote. Fine. So the first wave was fought not only for white women's suffrage but also for equal opportunities to education and employment and for the right to own property. So for education, okay, these are the things: for education, employment, right to own a property. These were again certain things जो first wavers ने fight back किया था. Then as the movement developed it began to turn to the question of reproductive rights. तो reproductive rights के लिए भी they fought. In 1920 Congress passed the 19th Amendment granting women the right to vote. So in theory it granted the right to women of all races, but in practice it remained difficult for black women to vote, especially in the South. So somehow in 1920 Congress passed the 19th Amendment granting women the right to vote. Okay, so finally the women got the right to vote, but again this was given to the white women. And so like उसमें लिखा तो था कि it is for all races including both white and black women, but eventually the beneficiary यानी कि जो जिनको benefit मिला था they were the white women. Fine. So this is it. This is all you must know about the first wave. So एक तो time period आपको याद रखना होगा. Then the main focus of first wave was on women's suffrage, property rights and political candidacy. Okay, and beginning of women's movement in America was marked by the मतलब इसमें क्या हुआ था, फर्स्ट वेव में बिगनिंग ऑफ वुमेंस मूवमेंट इन अमेरिका हुआ था एंड इट वाज मार्क्ड बाय द सेनेका फॉल्स कन्वेंशन. सेनेका फॉल्स कन्वेंशन आपको याद रखना होगा ऑफ 1848. ठीक है, जुलाई 1848. सो दिस इज इट फॉर फर्स्ट वेव ऑफ फेमिनिज्म. फर्स्ट वेव फेमिनिज्म में वी ऑल्सो हैव टू make note of this name, Mary Wollstonecraft, which is very important. So modern feminism begins with Mary Wollstonecraft. This name is very important. Vindication of the rights of women. उन्होंने ये किताब लिखी थी Vindication of the Rights of Women in 1792. 1792 year आप याद रखना. 19th century feminism evolved very much as a response to the specific difficulties individual women encountered in their lives. So obviously जो individual women है उन्होंने जो face किया था उसके ऊपर ही ये first wave start हुआ. Okay, hence the emergence of key personalities and series of campaigns to achieve clearly defined ends. So there were certain personalities who fought for the rights of women. By the end of the century, major reforms had been accomplished, but the terms feminist and feminism had only just begun to be used. Wollstonecraft's vindication emerged from the social and political turbulence caused by the French Revolution. So again, because of the French Revolution, a lot of things came to the mind of the people. Okay, and this was created by the war, the French Revolution. Obviously, देखिए फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें थी जैसे इक्वालिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी, है ना, तो लिबर्टी. तो इन सारी चीज़ों के ऊपर काफ़ी लोगों ने रिसर्च किया. एंड इन इंडिया ऑल्सो जो एजुकेटेड लॉट थे उनके ऊपर भी फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन का बहुत असर पड़ा था. सो वुमेन फर्स्ट वेव फेमिनिज्म में भी इसका असर हुआ था. ओके, Wollstonecraft wanted women to raise their overall moral and intellectual stature, to make them into more rational citizens. इनका मेन मोटिव था to raise their overall moral and intellectual stature. बहुत important चीज़ है कि moral and intellectual stature. Fine. The initially enthusiastic reception of Wollstonecraft's work was blighted ironically by her husband's memoirs of her life. Anyways, तो मेन चीज़ जो है, इनका नाम आपको याद रखना होगा. एंड ऑब्वियसली विंडिकेशन ऑफ द राइट्स ऑफ वुमेन कब लिखा था एंड उसका जो मेन मोटिव क्या था, यू नो, टू ब्रिंग अवेयरनेस इन वुमेन टू चेंज देयर मॉरल एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल स्टैचर. अच्छा, एक और चीज़ है कि फर्स्ट वेव वुमेन फेमिनिज़म में जो वेव हुआ था, फर्स्ट वेव, उसमें ये था कि दे फोकस्ड ऑन वुमेन हु वर मैरिड. यू नो, मैरिज इंस्टीट्यूशन के अंदर रह के जो चेंजेस लाने थे उसके ऊपर इन्होंने डिस्कस किया था. नो वन डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द यंग वुमेन, उनको कैसे डील करना है, उनकी लाइफ में क्या क्या चेंजेस आनी चाहिए, उन सब के बारे में एज सच कुछ नहीं बोला गया है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ इट एंड we'll talk about the second wave in my next lecture. And till then, keep revising. Very few days are left for your NET exam, so जितना आप स्टडी कर सको करो. जितने भी आप वीडियोस देख सकते हो यूट्यूब पे, उनको भी देखते रहो, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन गेन नॉलेज. नॉलेज इज़ एवरीवेयर. You just have to open your eyes and look into each and everything that you are surrounded with. Okay, so best of luck for your exam and have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.